A very interesting question, this one. The museum's new exhibition includes a collection of something taken inside the world's most autocratic nation, depicting what is depicting? Rare photographs, scenes of daily life. That's first part in the list. Scenes of daily life, propaganda art. Second point in the list, civic rituals meant to honor the ruling class. Third point in the list is civic rituals. And then the interesting part, police officers training and patrolling. And then we see some differences here. Some students will choose this answer choice thinking that police officers training, patrolling and parading makes sense. But come to think of it, if there were 4 terms in the list depicting scenes of daily life, that's 1, propaganda art 2, civic rituals 3, and police officers training, patrolling, parading. If this were the last term in the list, then an and would be needed here. The Oxford comma and would be needed. And police officers training, patrolling, and parading. Since we do not have an and here, it means that this part is not the last term in the list. Something very, very interesting. And therefore, this choice can be comfortably eliminated. Similar problem with choice C, police officers. It acts as, that is the next term in the list. So this is term number 1, this is term number 2, this is term number 3, this is term number 4 in the list. Police officers training and patrolling. And if parades were a separate term, then this would be the 5th term, the last term. So the Oxford comma plus and would be needed here, not before and taken by. This taken by is an action. It is not a part of the list. So C can also be eliminated. A similar problem with choice D, police officers training and patrolling. So from here to here, this is term number 4. And parades, so this is the last term in the list. This answer choice correctly uses Oxford comma followed by and to join last term in the list, which is parades. Even this answer choice does, but this one does not. And parading. Parading would not be a term in the list. Parading is an action here, whereas it is a list of all nouns. You see the list is of scenes of daily life, propaganda art, civic rituals. These are all nouns. And then parading is not a noun. Parades is a noun. So A can also go. It's between D and E now. See closely, a very, very interesting question, this one. Choice D has this demerit of using an and being construction here. The thought has very well completed here with the list and the main message that the exhibition includes a collection of rare photographs depicting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this thought ends with this comma. These all 5 things taken by photographers possessing tremendous courage. That conveys the intended meaning. E is the best answer choice. D is close, but it can be eliminated because of this problem here. B is a trap. Many students will choose B, but B is not the correct answer choice. You need to understand the meaning. Frankly, if you got this question correct, you really understand parallelism. In case you did not, don't worry. The question is very complex. Just ensure that there is a lot to be learned from this one. In case you got this question incorrect, I suggest watching this video once again. E is the best answer choice.